Hello children, hope you all are doing good. Children, you might be familiar with many animals, isn't it? You are having pets in your home and even you are seeing many animals, different kinds of animals in and around your house. And in a previous class you have learnt about the different kinds of animals or even the insects also. These insects are also animals that you have learnt in the previous class. So children, see on the screen I am showing you the animals, for example cow and a human being. What is the difference between the animals and the human being, children? The main differences. Yes, by seeing only you can say that the appearance, the human being is having only 2 legs. But what about the animal? It is having 4 legs. It doesn't have any hands, isn't it? So, it has one mouth. Even we are also having a mouth. It has 2 eyes. Even we are also having 2 eyes. It is having one nose. We are also having one nose. And where is the difference then? Do we have any horns? We have no. So, the animals, some of the animals, they are having horns on the head. And even some of the animals, they have tail. But the human beings are having tails. निमಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಲ ಇದೆಯಾ? आपके पास tail है? नहीं ना? तो this is the difference, children. And even you can talk, the human being can talk, but what about the animal? They don't speak like us, isn't it? But when you say come here, they will come. When you say go or when you say eat, they will obey your order. If you tame that one, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಕಿದ್ರೆ है ना, आपने उसको अच्छे से सिखाया तो उसको पता चल जाता है कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो, है ना बच्चों? So this is the difference between the human being and the animal. And then children, here as you know already that many kinds of animals they used to live on a land or in a water or on a tree on a land. You know this already, right? So let's discuss some of the animals and their size and the color and the food they eat. We will discuss about the some of the animals. We'll take few examples, okay? So let's discuss about it, about the color, size and the food which it likes to eat and the dwelling. Dwelling means it used to live. Okay children? So children, let's take a example of a cow. See on the screen I am showing you. So what is the size of this one, children? Yes, it is bigger one. And the color, as I have told you, this one is, you can find it in white color or in a brown color or a black color, many colors you can, or a mixed match colors. So what it likes to eat? Yes, grass. And where it dwells? Dwelling means वो कहाँ पर रहता है? शेड में, है ना? तो next comes fish. So fish is a very small creature, small one, isn't it? So its color you can find in any color, pink, red, white, blue, many means many colors you can find it, even a brown color, black color, so many colors. So the food it eats to like is, so it eats the insects which are available in the water. Fish eats the insects which is available in the water and it keeps the water clean. And where it lives? Usually Yes, obviously it lives in water. And next comes crane. So this crane lives, and the size, what about the size of this crane? Is a little bit bigger, isn't it? But not much like cow. It is small. Compared to the cow, it is small one. Okay, compared to fish, it is bigger one. So this is the medium sized one, and the color of this crane is, usually you can find this in a white color. And even the food it used to eat, the fishes. And where it lives, children? Yes, usually you can find it in the fresh water, like a pond, lake, or in a wetlands. ओके तो उसके बाजू में लेक या पॉन्ड के बाजू में वेटलैंड, मतलब गीला गीला जो मिट्टी रहता है, उसके उधर ये क्रेन्स रहते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, you got it? So next comes here butterfly. Butterfly, the size of this one is very small, and the color you can find it in very beautiful colors, different colors, isn't it? So it used to live on a tree or in a house, anywhere it can live. So food it used to eat is a nectar or a small insects. Okay, so next comes here a monkey. The size of the monkey is little bit bigger, not like a cow, or you can say it is in a medium size one. And then the color, you can say the color is also, it can find in brown color, grey color, so black color. So these are the different colors of the monkeys which you can find. And then the food it can eat is fruits, especially bananas, nuts you can say. And it dwells in the, where it dwells, monkey? Yes, it dwells on the trees, isn't it? So here children, another one I am showing you, the garden lizard, where it lives and what about the size and the color. So garden lizards are small creature, isn't it? So you used to find this on grass, isn't it? So the food which it eats is usually insects which are in the grass, and the color of this one is quite brown color or a brick red color. Okay, so or you can say reddish brown, black color. So many colors you can find this one. So next comes here rabbit. Rabbit usually you can find it in the white color or a black color or a brown or a mixed match color, white and black, or a brown color, like this. So this is the medium sized one animal, the size, if you say the size. Then the food which it can eat is carrot. And where it lives in a hutch. If you are keeping it in your home, you can make a square box, so that we used to call it as a hutch. But if it is a wild rabbit, then it used to live in a burrow. It is a tunnel like, okay, it is looks like a tunnel. So there it lives, it is called burrow. The spelling of this is B-U-R-R-O-W, burrow. Okay. So next comes here grasshopper. You already know this. So grasshopper, the size is small one, and the color you usually find it in green color, and even in a you can say brown color also, and even yellow color or a stick color. Yes, exactly, the wood color you can say. Okay, so these are the grasshoppers usually you can found in and around your house. and it lives on a lower plants or a lots of grass. Wherever you find the grass, lot of grass, then you can find the grasshopper over there, isn't it? So children, it used to eat insects, you know already. So next comes here a tortoise. Tortoise size is a medium one and the color is, you know, brown color, black color, mixed color, green color, dark green color. So these are the colors, the tortoise you can find it. And this used to live on a land as well as in the water. And it used to eat fishes, insects like that. Next comes bat. Bat is a type of a bird, you know, and it is in a smaller, not so smaller and not so bigger. It's in as you know, small size, and its color is black or a gray. Black, usually you find this one in a black color only. And food it is used to eat is insects. Where it lives? It lives in a caves or a rocks, or if you leave the building for a long time without using, there you can find the bats, or under the bridge, even mines, and in the trees also you can find the bats. Especially they come outside in the night only, not in the daytime. So children, you came to know about the different kinds of animals and their food, sizes and color of the animals, even the habitat, or you can say dwell, where they used to live, isn't it?